Welcome back to another video of summer outfit ideas. For first outfit you can try cream polo t-shirt with light olive green pants and beige loafers. Next you can try brown shirt with blue jeans and grey sneakers. Next you can try grey striped shirt with cream pants and grey loafers. Next you can try seafoam green shirt with white pants and white sneakers. Next you can try blue polo t-shirt with beige pants and brown loafers. Next you can try tan striped shirt with white pants and black loafers. Next you can try black oversized t-shirt with light blue jeans and blue and white sneakers. Next you can try olive green shirt with tan pants and grey slippers. Next you can try off-white t-shirt and pants with olive green flip-flops. Next you can try black shirt with olive green pants and black loafers. Watch this video to know 35 grey outfit ideas.